Hey, what I'm going to tell you in the next few seconds might seem awkward and strange to you, but bear with me for a while. As someone who has an IT background and has been building different sorts of applications in different programming languages, I used to hate JavaScript. Why is that? To be honest, for no good reasons. Until that day where I finally realized that I was missing out on a huge potential and a huge amount of opportunities. I'm not willing to list the motivations that have changed my mind back in the time, but the only thing I can tell you is that if you have somehow landed on here, that means that you're well done. And right now you're making a wise decision if JavaScript interests you. No matter your motivations are, this whole course has been built around the concept of Teach Me JavaScript Like I'm Fire, where I do my best to explain JavaScript in a simple yet engaging way using examples, animation, and diagrams to illustrate the different concepts behind the JavaScript programming language and how to use them. So whether you are someone who is new to JavaScript and wants to acquire a solid foundation for your next job interview or project, or you have already some experience with JavaScript and you just want to have a quick refresher, or maybe you're someone who needs just a reference to which they can come back time to time, this course is the right choice for you. My name is AB, I'm a web developer and I'll be your instructor for the next few hours. But before we start, I need your determination, your attention, some of your precious time, and just one last action. Don't wait and enroll now.